Hello dear traders and investors. The project is in touch with LQDA.Markets. Let's start with general data about the company. You can pause it if necessary. We suggest taking a closer look at all of the company's indicators. We will compare the current fundamental indicators of the company Liquidia Corporation, ticker LQDA. This review is based on information as of August 13, 2025. According to Classification.GURU.Markets, company Liquidia Corporation belongs to the subcategory Pharma Other. 39 companies take part in the analysis. Look for solutions on orders at the end of the video. The overall result for the company under study is as follows: minus 8.5 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 1.6 points. If you look very broadly, within the US market as a whole, we can note that the average result for the US stock market as a whole is 1.7 points. Against the minus rating, 8.5 points for the company Liquidia Corp. Comparing the movement of a company's stock price Liquidia Corp and subcategory shares, we see that over 12 months the company's shares Liquidia Corporation showed a change of 111.7%. Against price changes in the subcategory 35.5%. Market capitalization of a corporation Liquidia Corporation valued at $2.06 billion. The subcategory's market capitalization is $120 billion. The company's book value is estimated at $0.04 billion. And the balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory is $44 billion. By comparing the shares of stock market and balance sheet capitalization, we can see the following. Share Liquidia Corporation in the subcategory in case of stock market valuation is 1.713%. Book value capitalization is 0.097%. Evaluation of the company's share of market and balance sheet capitalization in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The company under study has debts of $0.094 billion. Debt to book value ratio is 221% of the company's capital. The result of the company's financial obligations, very bad, minus 2 points. The balance of the company's stock price to its profit is 0. Average for subcategory 57. Evaluation of the company's stock market value to its profit ratio in comparison with companies in the subcategory, very bad, minus 2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was minus $128 million. Projected profits for the next 12 months are expected to be $46 million. Assessment of the indicator of projected future profit in comparison with companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's price to revenue ratio is 146.1. Average for subcategory 3. Evaluation of the company's market value to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $10 million. Future revenue for the next 12 months is unknown. Evaluation of the indicators of expected future sales volumes in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The marginality is minus 903.4%, with an average of 5.2% in the subcategory. Profitability assessment in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, TALET, minus 0.5 points. The company's share by number of employees in the subcategory is 0.338%, which is 407% less than the market capitalization share. The amount of capital per employee of the organization is $13,122,000. And in the subcategory, $2,590,000. Evaluation of the amount of company capital per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The amount of profit per employee of the company is minus $814,000, with an average for the subcategory, $45,400. Evaluation of profit per individual employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, talent, minus 0.5 points. The share of revenue per employee of the organization is $90,000. Subcategory, $878,000. Evaluation of sales volume per individual employee of the company in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, passable, minus 0.5 points. The volume of short transactions was 30.6%, with an average for the subcategory of 3.2%. Indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 77% for the company Liquidia Corp. In the subcategory, the RSI level, 14, is approximately 52%. The company's current stock price is around $24.11. The consensus price estimate for the company's shares is around $35.34. Let's look at the order table. It is available to you. Link in the pinned comment. The order table contains all decisions made this season by the information and reference system, Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the assessment Liquidia Corporation. Information and reference system for stock evaluation Guru.Markets, the following decision was made. Open a trade on a fall at a price of $24.10. The deal is open because the company has a rather poor valuation and price trend. The company's valuation was made using the Akeem's index valuation method. Take profit is set at 17.29. Stop loss is set at 30.91. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss. In this case, the order is closed automatically at the end of the trading session on September 12, 2025, or on the last trading day before this date. Ticker, VTEX, will be the main buy order. The video of the main deal has already been published on the channel. When closing any of the orders, basic or balancing, the second order is closed at the actual price. Thank you very much to the audience for watching this video and for using the information and reference system from Guru.Markets.